Guys, cold weather riding tip. Check your spark plugs. When the temperature dips below 16 degrees Celsius, these standard OEM CR8E types of spark plugs are too cold for the weather. I found that they begin to be covered with this gray soot, and this is not too bad, but when your spark plugs are sooty, and if you look at this inner part, it's supposed to be white, right? But it's all covered with gray soot. You see that? So this means that if everything else is working fine, this means that the fuel, it's basically the temperature of the spark plug is too low, meaning you need to increase the temperature of the spark plug. Spark plugs come in different variations of temperatures, right? Temperature ranges. So the standard plug no longer cuts it, and you need a warmer plug for colder weather riding. So I got myself CR7E, right? This is one level up in terms of heat range, different plug. But my engine warms up 50% faster. Also, I have no problem riding on the highway. The engine does not overheat in 15-16 degrees Celsius right now in October. Everything is fine with this new spark plug, and also fuel economy is increased. I can feel it. I can go to 121 kilometers before I switch to reserve. I've never been able to get that on last October. Right now the carburetors idle plugs are set at 2 3/4. In the summer, when the air is less dense, I keep it at 2.5 to 2 5/8 turns out for the idle screws. So yeah, when the temperature gets colder by about 15-16 degrees Celsius, adjust the carburetors, idle screws, give it a little bit more gas, just a little bit, in order to keep the fuel air ratio correct. You'll get better fuel economy in colder weather, and the engine warms up faster, so you don't get that lurching feeling when the engine's cold for a long time. Okay, have fun.